Here's an idea for you. Why don't you do user testing with a company called User Testing? User testing gives website owners a chance to get real people speaking their thoughts on their website, mobile apps, or prototypes. Let's see how we can get paid to test on user testing. Just click here, and then we find you can earn $10 per test for visiting a website or an app, completing a set of tasks, and speaking your thoughts out loud. Then you get paid $10. Now you're getting paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So what do you need to get started? You need a PC or a Mac, an internet connection, and a microphone. You'll also need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or Android tablet if you like to take mobile tests. You'll also need the ability to download their testing software, and you must be at least 18 years old and have the ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. But how much can you make on user testing? Well, you can make a few extra dollars on the side, and the test that you do depends on your demographics and your quality rating. You'll also need to have that PayPal account to get paid, or else there's no point applying. So user testing is currently accepting testers from around the world. So to sign up, you just need to enter your email address, and then you'll be asked to do a sample test. Then if you're approved, you can wait for user interface testing jobs to come through the mail. I'm going to sign up right now, and I'll put the links down below. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe, and bye for now.